Since everything is switching to USB-C now, it's hard to find these older model chargers. And my Bluetooth speaker uses this to charge. So the brand sent me this to go ahead and show it off to you. So on one end it's USD, older USB, and then this end for charging that I use to charge my speaker is this end. And these pieces on the end here are metal, which is nice. They're gonna have a lot of durability. And it also has this rubber piece here to stop the cord from bending. And you know that what happens when it bends, it stops working eventually. So I think these are gonna last a long time. It has a nice braided cable and plenty of length here to reach whatever I need to charge.